morning, guys. Today is February 4th, and today in our devotional, it says, be bold. Proverbs chapter 28, verse 1. The wicked run away when no one is chasing them, but the godly are as bold as lions. Psalms chapter 138, verse 3. In the day when I cried out, you answered me, and made me bold with strength in my soul. Acts chapter 4, verse 29. Lord, enable your servants to speak your word with great boldness. Hebrews chapter 4, verse 16. Let us come boldly to the throne of our gracious God. There we will receive his mercy, and we will find grace to help us when we need it most. Ephesians chapter 3, verse 12. Because of Christ and our faith in him, we can now come boldly and confidently to God's presence. 2 Corinthians chapter 3, verses 9 through 12. If the ministry that brought condemnation was glorious, how much more glorious is the ministry that brings righteousness? For what was glorious has no glory now in comparison with the surpassing glory. And if what was transitory came with glory, how much greater is the glory of that which lasts? Therefore, since we have such a hope, we are very bold. And at the bottom, it says, God's heart is open to you through the blood of Jesus. You are welcome to stand in his presence with confidence, to have a personal relationship with him. This confidence is a necessity in your relationship and contact with God because it enables you to pray and persevere. The Greek word for boldness could also be translated as courage, confidence, and openness. It is in this way that you draw near to God. And that's a good one for today. I will post this at the end. Be bold. That's something I pray for because I don't seem to be too bold. When it comes to some things, I kind of just, I refer to it as my bubble. I just go in my bubble and keep silent. But we do need to be bold and stand for Christ and stand for what's right. But that is our devotional for today. I had a kind of a crazy dream last night. I dreamed that my husband had come home with this real pretty white dress. And I looked at him and I said, oh, now we can renew our vows. And he just looked at me like I was crazy because, you know, that's just how my husband is. And I woke up, but I heard the word Allura, and I looked it up, and Allura means the Lord is my light. So I don't know if that dream means anything, but Allura, it's spelled A-L-O-R-A. When I get words like that, it's like I can see them. So it's spelled A-L-O-R-A. So I had to look it up because that's just me. Anytime I get anything, I have to look it up. But when I looked it up, on the it says, the meaning of Laura is the Lord is my light. So I hope that means that we go home soon. Because in my dream, this was a white dress, and I was thinking, oh, now, you know, I was thinking wedding, me and my husband can renew our vows, and he looked at me like I was crazy, but I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it means anything, but I hope and pray that it means we go home soon. But I love you guys. I thought I'd share that with you. And, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. Nobody sees my videos unless you share them with people. Also, if you haven't joined the Disciple server, the link's in the description. Join me on there. I do 3 Bible studies a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Christine, she does a Bible quiz in the mornings, and she does Bible studies or a prayer group on Saturday, a youth group on Sunday, and then a Bible study on Tuesday. And then Jess, she does Bible studies every evening on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then we have communion on Saturday. So join us on there. We'd love to have you. And if you do join, send me a message on there. Let me know you come from YouTube. But I love you guys. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.